Hey everybody, it's Neil, and by now you're probably familiar with these different massage guns. This one here is a new style. Look at this, it's got two massagers, so we're gonna check this out. This is by Heychy, 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 something like that. So let's give this thing a look-see. We can open it. I guess it's, there we go, slide down. So this is what the box looks like here. It says it's got a 9mm deep amplitude. It's a lightweight. It's got powered by 3C power battery and 10 kilograms of power. So let's check this out and see what it looks like. It's a nice box. It kind of reminds me of Apple boxes. So, ooh, it comes in a nice container. So this is what's in the box. I didn't know it was going to have a little case. Let's aim it down a little bit so you guys can see it as I see. Da, da, da. So here we go. So it is kind of a mini one. Double head massage gun, F5. Got a USB charger, so I'm guessing it's going to charge from USB to USB-C. And this is a massage gun. So let's see. So you got all these different heads in there. Can you guys see them from here? Let's aim it down a little bit more. There we go. So we have, like, if we wanted to go with the round ball ones, which is what I usually seem to like, just stick them in there without reading. Oh, it's gonna go back and forth. Let's see, one goes in, one goes out. So let's see if we push the power. Oh, okay, so I held the power button on and then it comes up with this light and I push it again and it's got the little dots for the different speed. So that's how you can control the speed. So that's pretty cool. Is there plastic on it? Looks like there's a cover on it. Boy, not so satisfying when you can't peel it off. Let's see. Just can't grab it. I saw on some devices they actually, some people put a little tab on there to make it even easier to peel it off, but let's see what I can do here. Oh, almost got it. Here. Oh man, I had a grab of it. Hopefully it is supposed to has one on there. It's not just some protective cover. No, there we go. Okay, so here we go. Peeling it off. There we go. Okay. So let's try it again. So we hold it down, and then you see it kind of starts up there, and you can control the speed. So let's see. Oh, it's kind of cool. So let's see what it feels like. Oh, that feels nice. Oh man, that is not really nice. Oh, yeah. This is the way to do it. I never thought like two would matter like that, but I can totally feel it. Like when it goes, one goes up, one goes down. So it's totally. Doing that would be great. I already feel better. Ooh, don't want to do my chest. But that's pretty cool when I hit the little power button. But very cool. And you can see it says it's got the power, and I guess it turns off by itself. I guess when I turned it to nothing, it shut off by itself, or maybe you hold it down. Yep, hold it down. So I hold it down to turn it on, and then you can hold it down to shut it off. So very cool. So this is awesome. This is by Heychy, and it comes with some extra little rubber grommets from in here. And so that was the round ones, which is what I would usually use and probably just leave them on there. But let's check out what these other pieces are just to see. So it comes with two of everything, so you can kind of go, you keep them even. So this, I don't know why. I guess I had my hand resting on it right back there. But there we go. So this one here is more of a pointed one. So, I mean, this actually isn't too bad. This would kind of feel good, I guess, on my back, on either side of my spine. But that's going to require, that's a two-person job, so someone's got to do that to me. So that's what that one is. Let's take that off. And then we'll try this one here. It's another rubber bouncy one. This one here usually isn't too bad for me either. It feels pretty good. So let's see. Yeah, pretty good. I like it. That's very nice. A little bit too vibraty on my neck. Let's see. So, okay. And then we have the last one here, which is this hard one here, which I can already tell you I'm probably not gonna enjoy. Yeah, it's just hard. I don't know, I don't like the hard ones. Maybe for my legs, might be okay. Still, I'm always a fan of the round ones for some reason. I'm just a round guy. So, very cool. And I'll hold down the button and it turns off. So very cool. So I'm gonna say this is awesome. And look at this, and it comes with this nice little case and everything. So how cool is that? Super awesome. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.